G'day guys, how's it going? Right, have I got a ripper trick for you guys. If you're like me, you've got long-sightedness or dodgy eyeballs and you have trouble reading the Petcock on your motorbike, where you've got your on, your off, your reserve, and you struggle to bloody see it. Well, I have a ripper little trick that's going to solve it for you. Let's get in the shed and bloody, I'll show you. Righto, first job, dog wants to get up on the bench. Yep, there you go. Righto guys, so I've got Max the DR650. He has two Petcocks and he has been running this little trick system for many, many years. It just works brilliantly. But I've got the little postie bike here and I've just put a new carby on it. So it doesn't have this system on it. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like and then what it looks like with it on, and then I'll show you how to do it. Really cheap. Rightio guys, this is what I'm talking about. So this is your Petcock or your fuel tap, whatever hell you want to call it. It's currently in the off position. Then we've got our on and our reserve down there. But if you're anything like me, I really struggle to see what those are. When you bloody, you forget where this position is. So I'll now show you what I've done to Max. Did you notice that? I was just bloody checking the footage and I went, what the hell is that O-ring doing sitting in behind the bloody thing? It was the old one. It's all good. Rightio, so here we go. Exactly the same thing. Petcock, we've got on, reserve and off. So all I've done is put coloured markings. Now this one up here is green. It's a bit, I might have to top that one up a little bit. It was most probably the wrong green to use. And then the yellow there, hopefully that's picking it up, for the reserve. So stop means red, go means green, and whoa, we're getting a bit bloody low. Get ready to run out is your yellow. And the reason why I'm doing this video is because I got someone in the comments on the three problems that I have, and one of the problems was that this hose over here was leaking, so I had to chop it and put it on. But the comment was, the one thing I got, or the takeaway from this whole video was the colours on this Petcock. So I thought, you know what, I'll do a video just on that. There you go. Right, how do I do it? Righto, the simple answer is nail polish. And yes, I do have nail polish in my work shed. The thing is, it's a small amount of paint. Like I've had these for years and I've done multiple bikes. I've done some top-ups over the time. They most probably cost me $1. I think I asked Nay and she said even now you'd pay bloody $4 for one of these, but they have the clearance boxes and all that where you can get them for $1. That's it. Nail polish. Now you could use, spray paint if you've got that. But yeah, all right, let's get the postie all done up. Rightio guys, so I've got me bloody red here. Just put that like that, simple as. Got some orange down for the reserve. And then the shitty green for the top. That's what, there we go, that's it, boom. Now obviously just let that dry, and if it gets a little bit see-through-y, you just put another bloody coat on it. That's it. Brilliant. So now instead of me bloody getting down on my knees, having to put my short lookers on to see where my Petcock is positioned, now I don't, I just bloody do that and I can just see by those colours. It's a little thing, but it's all the little things that add up and makes everything a little bit, makes life easier. Righto guys, remember, keep on riding, and if you ain't riding, keep on keeping on.